Hello and welcome to Saylor's Playground with another read aloud with Tonka Tough Trucks with the Paw Patrols. Rescue vehicles race to help people that are in trouble. Make way! Here comes a fire truck, police car, helicopter, and ambulance. It's harvest season on the farm and there's a lot of work to be done. Roll out the pickup truck, tractor, plow, backhoe, and forklift. Maintenance vehicles keep the streets clean and the traffic moving. Step aside. This garage truck, street cleaner, tow truck, and cement mixer have big jobs to do. These long-haul trucks drive across the country. Keep an eye out on the highway for a big rig, tanker, car transporter, and flatbed truck. The toughest trucks of all are the construction vehicles. Safety first, a crane, dump truck, bulldozer, and trencher are on the site. That was Tonka Tough Trucks Read Aloud here on Saylor's Playground.